Friends, today we are discussing about the various research funding agency in the field of higher education. Before going to further discussion, I would like to just focus on what is the research. Research funding means funding obtained through the competitive process in which potential research projects are evaluated and only the most promising receives funding. In India, we are seeing that there are two major sources of the research funding in the higher education. First is that government agencies and second is corporate funding. There are another some funding agencies are available in India. Those are giving very small amount for the scientific research, just like various charitable trust and various foundation. If you see the worldwide GDP ratio, number of countries are spending their money on research funding. If you see 1.5% to 3% of GDP, countries are spending money on the research funding. Only the Sweden is different country. Sweden is only country to exceed funding 4% of GDP on the research. Funds are essential for teaching, learning, research and technological development. If we see the objective of higher education, that is research, teaching and extension, we see we need lot of areas for the research. So, selection of the research area is very important when we are applying for the funding in various agencies. Money provides for both resources from the government and industry, except the result in the form of the new knowledge, novel method, improved products which meets the needs of the citizenship. So, we see here the needs of the citizen and society, it is the major area for the research. Researchers need to be realistic about their outcome. If we see what kind of the fundings are available in India, we have to see that we have different kind of the level. We have to see university level we are providing various fund, national level we are providing various fund and international level. At the university level we see, for example, in Pune University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, we have funding to various research field in the higher education. Banaras Hindu Vishwavidyalaya, Maharaja Sayajrai Gaikwad University. So, all these universities are providing fund for their employees in the field of the higher education. We see there are also some agencies at national level, they are also providing fund for the research, UGC, CSIR, DST and etc. We see at international level we have a different kind of fund agency, TWS, European Union and etc. So, there is some list of the funding agency at the national level: University Grant Commission, Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, Department of Science and Technology, All India Council for Technical Education, Department of Biotechnology, Indian Council for Medical Research, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, Indian Council of Social Science Research. There are also some funding agencies available at the different department level. For example, DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization, DAE, Department of Atomic Energy, Department of Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Sindh and Homeopathy, Department of Coal, Department of Ocean Development, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, India Meteorological Department, Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. These are the different department funding agency. There are another funding agency, for example, the big funding agency we can say Government of India, and under the Government of India we have a different ministry, they are also providing fund for the various research in the field of higher education. For example, Ministry of Communication and IT, Department of Information Technology also doing, Ministry of Environment and Forest, Ministry of Food Processing and Industry, Ministry of Non-Conventional Energy Source, Ministry of Power, Central Power Research Institute, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Ministry of Water Resources, Petroleum Conservation Research Association. So, these are the various research funding agencies are available in the Indian higher education system. Researcher and teacher should be identify a proper research agency for their research purpose. Their research should be very clear for the demanding fund in higher education research. I am giving some ideas more than itself. For example, this is the flow chart reflect information and hierarchy of various science and engineering research board for the funding. This chart you can get the ideas that how the research boards are working for the various funding.